Is it the right time to buy or sell Netflix stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Netflix. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 26, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. We don't want you to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Lastly, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 4, 2024, our system has ranked Netflix as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Throughout this time, Netflix has exceeded our expectations by gaining 20.17% since our initial recommendation to buy it 16 days ago. In other words, it has delivered an average daily return of 1.26% since being listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given recent developments, we are uncertain about the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong short-term upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rising. If there is any price pullback, there will now be support at the previous trend's high point of $536.82. This could potentially provide a second opportunity for a successful trade. According to fan theory, the next possible resistance level is $580.55, which may not be easily surpassed on the first attempt. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 18.33% change expected over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 2.29% to 11.36%. As for the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential 41.34% change over the next year, with a possible return ranging from -3.08% to 39.96%. This translates to a projected price range of $552.84 to $798.35 after 12 months. Our latest update on Netflix's stock price reveals that it ended at $570.42 on Friday, after gaining 1.5%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 26, 2024, the Netflix stock price experienced a 1.5% increase, rising from $562 to $570.42. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. We're eagerly anticipating whether this upward trend will continue or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 3.8%, ranging from a low of $558.43 to a high of $579.64. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 15.88% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also increased on the last day, indicating a positive technical sign. A total of 3 million additional shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 13 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $7.22 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price for Netflix was $579.64, while the lowest was $285.33. At present, the price is 1.59% or $9.22 below the 52-week high, and 18.63% or $130.57 below the all-time high on November 17, 2021, when the price reached $700.99. Today, we will be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Netflix. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, Macquarie upgraded Netflix and gave it an outperform grade. The following day, on Tuesday, January 23, 2024, Goldman Sachs maintained a neutral grade for Netflix with a hold action. Additionally, on the same day, Wedbush also gave Netflix an outperform grade but with a hold action. UBS, another prominent firm, rated Netflix as a buy with a hold action. Lastly, Morgan Stanley weighed in with an overweight grade for Netflix, also with a hold action. Analysts have given Netflix stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its P/E ratio and price-to-book ratio. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also suggest buying the stock. Let's take a look at the signals for Netflix stock. The moving averages indicate positive signs for the stock, both in the short and long term. The relationship between the two signals also suggests a buy trend, with the short-term average currently above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support at $517.64 and $485.96. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it may trigger sell signals. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 27.69%. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is reached. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The rising volume along with the price further strengthens this positive technical sign. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a buy signal. Pivots have indicated a buy signal 35 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are signaling a buy 1 day ago. The short-term moving average is showing a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average has signaled a buy 8 days ago. The long-term moving average has indicated a buy signal 60 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages has signaled a buy 50 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Netflix. Netflix has found support from accumulated volume at $562. This is an important level to watch because it may present a buying opportunity. Typically, when support is tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. When it comes to risk, Netflix has average movements during the day and trades with good volume. This means that the risk is considered to be medium. To put it in perspective, yesterday the stock moved $21.21 between its high and low, which is a 3.8% change. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 3.39%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Netflix, let's start by covering some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high expectations for future growth. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on April 16, 2024. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Netflix. Currently, there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This indicates that the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. If you're considering entering a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the right time to exit. On the downside, Netflix encounters its first support level at $562. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, indicating a potential rebound in the stock's price. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Netflix is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 24, 2024, Hogue J.C. sold 47,000 shares of common stock as an insider. On January 2, 2024, Kilgore Leslie J. purchased 134 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy, as an insider. On January 2, 2024, Newman Spencer Adam purchased 3,113 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy, as an insider. On January 2, 2024, Haley Timothy M. purchased 134 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy, as an insider. On January 2, 2024, Barton Richard N. purchased 134 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy, as an insider. Considering the 100 most recent insider trades, the calculated insider power ratio is negative at -29.008. Overall, insiders have bought 90,724 shares and sold 163,596 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $551.60, which is a decrease of 3.3%. With medium daily movements, this stock carries a moderate level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator is currently at 85, which significantly increases the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 34 days ago. Is Netflix stock a good buy? While Netflix shows some positive signals, they may not be strong enough for it to be considered a buy candidate. At the current level, it is more appropriate to hold or accumulate this position and wait for further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, January 29th, we anticipate Netflix to open with a decrease of -92 cents and begin trading at $569.50. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. So, it's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember, the information provided on StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with insightful views on stocks. Today, we're taking a look at this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What are your predictions for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.